Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new, my name is Marissa, also known as Homemaking with Marissa. Today is going to be another outfit ideas using my 10-item capsule wardrobe for the fall of 2021. This is going to be my last outfits video for this season. I am going to start transitioning my wardrobe into winter clothes, probably mid-December, and we'll be phasing these out, and then I will film a video showing what items I swapped out for winter, and then for the winter season I'll start filming some of these outfit idea videos. Normally I film these videos on like a Monday through Friday, or I'll film them a full 7 days. This video is kind of all over the place because I got sick in the middle of filming, so then I didn't film for several days. So it is just kind of bits and pieces of different outfits that I put together over the last couple of weeks. If you're new to my channel and you're interested in homemaking videos, capsule wardrobe, I am on the Weight Watchers plan, so I'll post videos about that. I do grocery hauls. I post about pretty much anything related to homemaking on this channel. So if that is something that you're interested in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. I'm pretty sure that there is something that everybody can kind of relate with on this channel. It's mid-November, it's 60 degrees outside. So today, I am wearing this lightweight green dress. This came from REI, isn't still available, but it is a really nice fall color, I think. It's wicking, I wear it in the summer, just in the fall I'll add an overpiece. I am wearing this oversized boyfriend button down from American Eagle, some memory foam shoes from Target. I kind of did some waves in my hair today. Makeup is the same as always, and my nail color for this week is another one of the gelish gel manicure colors. This came in a fall set, but I really do think that it's a nice fall to Christmas transition color. I will, if I can find this on Amazon, I'll link it in the description box down below. Today, the kids are spending the night with their grandma, which is awesome. There's no school tomorrow. I am going to film a Christmas video that will have already gone up, and this is actually going to be the last week of outfits for my fall capsule. I'm starting to think about the winter capsule, even though today's 60. This is the only day it's been warm in like a month. So I am starting to think of items that are gonna come out of fall and items that I will replace them with for winter. A lot of times there's some crossover between fall and winter where I'll keep items and just sub a couple of them out. So stay tuned. That is a video that will be coming up soon. But this is today's outfit. I liked that it was super casual, yet looks put together. Today's outfit is my jegging length American Eagle sweater. I've mentioned before this particular pattern is not still available, but American Eagle is good about having these really long sweaters that are meant to go over the top of leggings and cover the rear end. I am wearing my white boyfriend tee underneath in case I get too warm. The leggings are from Aries. I've talked about these before. They're a new find, and if you're a petite, they are the way to go because they come in a short length. I am wearing my slide-on slippers today because I have no plans on leaving the house. I've talked before about trying to work on my skin, so when possible, I don't wear any makeup. Today is one of those days. I'm also trying to not use as much heat on my hair, so I put my hair into 2 braids. I will just let it dry like this, and then by tomorrow, I'll have a more wavy look to my hair. So trying to do kind of a little bit of letting my hair and my face have a break since I'm not leaving the house at any point today. I am decorating my entire house for Christmas today. You can see back here, I've got the bedding swapped on my bed. I've already swapped the bedding on the kids' bed, and I'm getting ready to go decorate their room. They're not home today, so being able to surprise them with their fully decorated room for Christmas, I know they just get so much joy out of having a room decorated, and it's totally extra. It's not something that's obviously necessary, but it just makes them so happy, and seeing them so excited about having decor in their room associated with the season just makes me happy. So going to prioritize getting that taken care of today and getting that all set up in their room. Today's outfit is another one of my core items. I am wearing the chambray dress with the cinch waist. I have said multiple times this came from JCPenney probably 2 years ago. I consistently put it in my capsule for almost every season. And I did find a very similar looking dress on Amazon, though I don't know what the quality's like, but it does have the same tortoise buttons, the cinch waist, and is in a chambray color. I like pairing this with just a basic cardigan. This is a rust colored cardigan from Target. I don't think that this exact color is still available, but there is one that's very similar that they have. I am wearing the same Amazon slippers from yesterday. This is kind of, my son's playing basketball in his bedroom, so it's kind of loud. This is what my hair looks like after I wear it in braids all day, so it's just kind of gives this beachy wave look. I'm wearing it half up, half down with a ribbon in my hair that came from Target. We are not planning on leaving the house today. It's a Friday, so we're going to be making pizza dough and then making pizza as a family, probably play a game tonight, and that's about it. Here's my outfit for today. Now, truthfully, I've not filmed in about a week. If you follow me on Instagram, I got pretty sick. I was in bed. I had to go back through the footage to figure out what I'd already worn in this video. So this is what I settled on today. I find that when I wear something that looks a little bit more presentable, I feel better. So I went with this floral dress. This came from Target. The last time I wore this, I tried to link it and it wasn't still available. I'll try to find something comparable, but this particular color is sold out in every single size on Target's website. Underneath, because it is fall, I am layering just a basic black long sleeve top. This is from Banana Republic. It is their Luxe Spun, I think just Luxe Spun. I don't think it's Supima cotton, but it's Luxe Spun cotton long sleeve tees. I keep these as a basic in my wardrobe in black and white and replace them every couple of seasons as needed, though they do wash pretty well. My shoes are my Target mules that I wear all the time. My hair is just half up, half down. I have no makeup on. You can see I'm breaking out. I have not worn makeup at any point this week, primarily because I've just been sick in bed, but also to just give my skin a break from wearing makeup. I am having a real tough go with it, with my skin right now. And during the Sephora sale, I did buy some new skincare products that hopefully will be a little bit gentler. I feel like some of my makeup items, my foundation particularly, I've been wearing since high school, and I'm wondering if that's just too heavy for my skin now that I'm in my 30s. So I did get a new foundation while I was at Sephora during the semi-annual sale. Anyway, I am not wearing any makeup. Here's half up, half down. This is the outfit. It's not supposed to rain today. I did check. It's not supposed to rain today. So I don't think that I will need a jacket, but if I do, I'll just wear the same black Calvin Klein trench that I regularly wear in videos. I did get my tree up in my bedroom. Isn't this just the cutest? I found this at Michael's and I love this tree. Now, I don't know if it's gone up yet, but I said that in my Christmas tips video. Yeah, that's already gone up. So in my Christmas tips video, I said that I was only buying, I think, 3 new pieces of decor, and I totally got suckered into buying this tree. I really have wanted one in my room for the last couple years, but I've never been able to find something. We do not have a very big master bedroom, so I wasn't able to find anything before that wouldn't impede the walk space. I saw this on Michael's ad, and it was short enough to go under the television, The star came from Target, but the tree is from Michael's. So cute. I love the pine cones. I love the base is included. It's the little things, man. I absolutely love this tree. And I also apparently I'm real chatty today. I also wanted to say that even though I'm not wearing any makeup, I've said before that we wear masks in Oregon, so it's not like anybody's really gonna know that I'm not wearing any makeup if I go out and about, but I find that I still try to dress up so that I still feel put together and that makeup doesn't have to differentiate between whether or not you're looking sloppy and just throwing your hair up, which there's no problem with that. You know, we all have days like that. But I just find that if I'm not wearing makeup and I'm gonna go out and about, that if I wear something that looks a little bit more put together, I feel better about the fact that I have absolutely no makeup on. Today is actually a travel day for me. I am taking myself and the younger two kids to Seattle. My older son has finals and has to work, and my husband has to work. So it's just gonna be the three of us going up there to visit some of my girlfriends. This is kind of my classic travel outfit. This is the same top as yesterday. It's just white instead of black, but it's the same Luxe Spun basic long sleeve tee from Banana Republic. The athletic joggers, I talk about these all the time. Love these pants, so comfortable. They wash well, they wear well, and I think that you can kind of dress them up even though they're definitely still sweatpants. I am wearing my memory foam Target tennis shoes and my Target cardigan. I did just my 10-minute makeup look. My hair is just flat ironed and I pulled the top of it back so that it wouldn't be in my face while I was driving. Yeah, we are just going to hit the road and have a pretty quick trip. Actually, we're only going to be up there for like 4 days. We're going to be up there for 4 days. So we're going to head up and then come back right before Thanksgiving. I'm really excited, looking forward to being able to just spend some time with my girlfriends who both have kids, and they can all the kids can play together. It's going to be a good time. But this classic travel outfit. I've filmed vacation videos before of like what I wear on vacation, and I'm pretty sure this is like my go-to travel outfit. It's super comfy, and I like to wear just regular like tennis shoes when I'm driving versus wearing like a mule. I just think that they're more comfortable, and in my opinion, I think it's safer to wear like an actual proper shoe when you're driving. I want to thank you all for watching today. If you're new to my channel and haven't done so already, you can subscribe by clicking on my face here. I will include an entire playlist full of capsule wardrobe videos for you here, as well as an additional video that YouTube thinks that you would enjoy down here. I hope you are all doing well. Bye!